She's picking up preparation age for hemorrhoids.
Shut up.
What's up, gooses? We're out here doing some outdoor backyard maintenance work. You working?
I'm working. It's relaxing. I like it.
It's just a bunch of strangers that's in danger, passing my flashing lights while I'm in anger, clenching my fingers, mad at light, but my passion lies in the music. I do this to satisfy rapping, my tormentors, so to get this don't fill my appetite. I grab the mic looking goddess, say you're the best thing that ever happened to me. That's what I plead, no Gladys Knight. Actually, cause you sacrifice yourself for those who aren't having the beef, cause they stab and fight. No one is even half as nice, spit acid like whenever feathers sever the serpent that isn't they tell for certain. Usually yelling I'm murking, but now I'm a silent assassin, violent, I'm thrashing lies. You
so check out the eggs that hatched. I'm gonna show you my little chickens. They're not chickens, they're red golden pheasants. Check it out. Look at these little guys. Go like that to mimic like pecking. Let's eat. They've been eating. Those are my red golden pheasants. 4 of them hatched. The remaining eggs will hatch tomorrow. But those are other birds. If the weather gets better, I'll take them out tomorrow. But it's raining right now. I can't take them out. She's picking up preparation age for hemorrhroids.
Shut up.
She has a major flare up.
Thank you. Shut the hell up.
Okay, alcoholic. Go get your bottle of wine.
This is not for me, this is for you. Okay.
I'm just getting my bottle of wine. I'm on vacation. I'm entitled to have a little bit of wine.
The alcoholic here.
Don't drink and drive. It's
oh,
not
they don't
good.
have yours.
What? They ain't got my shit? That's
no,
it.
they just have these.
Which one do I drink? Do I drink one of these?
No,
What's this red one? Oh, that's the one that tastes like fucking...
I don't know.
Nah, that one's sour. The Billy... Blue cherries. Can I pop a cherry? That's already been popped.
Shut the fuck up.
Look who we bumped into. The kings. The kings of New York.
You want that watermelon? Yeah. Watermelon.
Leave that before that thing falls on your head.
Yeah, that's too big. That's not the one we got, Jakey.
Give me a soda. And what there to baby want?
Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and Donald. Why is it?
They're not cuddly animals. Put them down, let them walk around, explore, eat bugs, dirt, and worms.
I hope that one.
Go ahead, hold it.
Jakey, get behind
Go hold it. You want to hold it, I'm scared. Don't jump up and down.
Yes, Jakey, before you step
It's
on
gonna run right under your foot and you're gonna step right on it.
You gonna hold it? With the other hand.
Here.
You gotta keep it like that.
Look, it's falling.
That was yours. It's following you. Chicken blood. Put your feet right on it.
Ooh,
It was always big or grew like that.
No. Yeah, that one's not koi. That one.
Goldfish?
Yeah.
watch it.
I know you're close by.
Where are they? They're over there.
There's two right here
There's two there.
and one over there.
That one making so much more.
Hey, what you doing with my chips? They're my potato chips. What you doing? I'll punch your nose.
Like
Oh, that was from.
just now. That's from just now.
Smile. 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 Smile, I'll smack you in the head.
That's a stupid one.
Stupid man.
What happened? Is there one under my feet?
No, it's right behind you now.
Where's the other
They won't die if you eat the potato chip. That's like corn. This is video.
It's that video.
You got
Checking out
anything
my
to say?
pictures here. Checking out how the
Wow.
pictures came out.
It's that video. We're watching her take pictures of flowers. Oh, how beautiful.
Shut the freak up.
I just love pictures of flowers.
I'm sure you do. You look like a flower.
Yeah. That's it.
He got a little cell phone. He's like, don't want my phone.
His phone's gonna get messed up.
Yeah, his phone's gonna get messed up. What are you doing? Recording? Oh, it's beautiful.
A beautiful mess.
Whatever.
Yeah, so you guys checked out the birds that we got. So I got a couple of them hatching. One actually hatched, which is the guinea fowl. I have 2 of those, and I have 3 mountain quail eggs to hatch. And once those hatch, then that's it for this year. We're not getting any more eggs for this year, so we're gonna see how those run around in the yard. You know, I like animals and stuff, so I'm interested in that. You know. Check it out. It's getting windy, and it looks like it's about to pour. Windy and dark.
Alright, it's not that
Look at the pouring rain. Is that the scene?
Yeah. Look how fast it's already dying down.
No, it's not. That's just a little cloud.
It only made it look like that because the wind was blowing it, so it made the water look like it was going all over the place.
Oh, really? I
It
didn't know
really
there
was
a
not
weather
that
man.
bad,
Hey,
yes.
eyes are gonna come right out of their sockets.
So that's it for today, guys. The day is over. We're gonna relax now, and I'm gonna give Dickie a lot of ice cream. So that's it. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Later.
All nice and dandy with those shoes on. While you're cleaning the house.
This is how they used to do it in the old days.
Good.
They used to be all
Do it
dressed.
like in the old
They used to be dressed up in the thing and have a what do you call that?
I don't know.